Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here one of the latest smartwatch from Amazfit, the Amazfit BIP Max. So this one, it is the latest smartwatch from the BIP series, and as you can see here, we do have a sporty design. And as expected, it is loaded with features when it comes to sports and health. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of this wearable. We will check the design, the specifications, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to know more about the smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and have the unboxing review of the Amazfit BIP Max. On this video, we will focus on the design, the specs, and its UI. So let's start. So this is the packaging of our BIP Max. So we have here some details: train, recover, evolve. Okay, so this smartwatch, as expected, it focuses more on your health and sports. At the back, we do have some features and specs here. We have 500 mAh battery, compatible with Android 7.0 and iOS 15.0. So here's the Zepp OS. So this is the operating system. We do have a feature here for Zepp Aura and Zepp Coach. And of course, it is using the Zepp application. We don't have the full detail on the specs here. Later on, I'm going to state the specifications of the wearable. Okay, so where do we open this one? Okay, so this is the part where you remove the box. Okay, not this one. No cable inside. Designed with purpose. Reusing your USB-C means less waste. Okay, so what are the contents? So we have here the user manual of the Amazfit BIP Max. Okay, so this is a charging cable, charging cradle. Okay, so we are going to need the USB Type-C here. Then we have the smartwatch. Okay. Then let's see, what else do we have here? We have the strap. Nothing else. We have here a sporty strap. We'll attach it later. And I think that's it. Again, for the contents, we have the smartwatch here. We have the strap with a quick release pin for easy attachment. And we have a charging cradle. And of course, the user manual. Okay, so these are the contents of our Amazfit BIP Max. Next, let's have the dimension and weight. Okay, so let's check. So for the width here, we have 43.0. For our length, we have 49.5. Then for the thickness, we have 10.7. Then for the body weight, without the strap attached, let's check. 0. It is around 35.13 grams. And of course, with the strap attached, it is around 53.67. Okay. Next. So before we proceed with the design, let's have first the specifications. So for the specs, it has an aluminum alloy frame. I guess this one on the center. At the back, this one, it is a plastic. Okay, PC material. We have a 2.0-inch AMOLED screen display. So let's remove this. With a 432 by 415 or 432 by 514 pixel resolution. For the complete specs, I'm going to put it here. We have 3000 nits brightness with 324 ppi or pixel per inch. Wow, nice. 3000 nits brightness. We have 550 mAh battery and with 20 days of battery life for normal usage. Okay, it is available in silver, dark blue, and carbon gray. What we have here is the silver color. Okay, it looks nice, looks beautiful. 5 ATM waterproof, and it's using the Zepp App application. Again, Bluetooth 5.3 for its connectivity. AMOLED screen display. So for the full specifications, check it here. Okay, next, let's attach this strap here so we can check on the design. Let's put it here. Again, we do have a flexible silicone strap here with a quick release pin for easy attachment. Let's see if we can attach this easily. Okay, then the next one. Okay, so finally we have, or I have successfully attached the second strap. I thought that it is very easy. It is very difficult so far to attach the strap, even though there's a quick release pin. Anyway, it's already attached here, and as you can see, we accidentally turn on the smartwatch, and to be able to use it, you still need to pair it with its support app. So we do have here the pairing guide for the Zepp application. Anyway, here's the design of our wearable. Again, we do have a metal aluminum alloy frame, middle frame. Then this one, the back cover here, is plastic. We do have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. Very wide body. We have two physical buttons here. So this is the charging cable or the charging cradle. We don't have a cable here, but it uses the USB Type-C. So very strong magnet here. So far, it looks sporty, elegant looking. I like the physical button here. It's not slippery, as you can see here. We do have some groove. And what else do we have here? So software version, it's using the Zepp OS 5 And we do have a 2.12 gigabyte of storage. Okay, so we have the QR code here. So let's pair it first, so we can check out the design of the UI. Okay, going to scan this and pair it with the support app. Okay, so we have successfully paired and updated our BIP Max. So again, here's the design with the UI or the OS activated for our Amazfit BIP Max. Okay, beautiful design here. It is a big smartwatch, widescreen display. You have here, I think this one is the, let's see. Okay, the sports button here, and this one, okay, the menu button and home button as well, I think. Okay, so if we are going to wear this one, as you can see, it's a bit big. The screen is big as well as the body frame. Flat finish, metallic finish here. We do have the sensor at the back, and we do have a physical button, 2 physical buttons. Next, for the UI, so let's see. So we have here the settings and options with notifications here on the bottom part. And here on the bottom part, we have a menu here. I guess this one can be customized depending on what you need. Then on our right side, we have the menus. Then on the left side, we have the sports. So this one's somewhat like the widgets. Okay, you can add your own, and I guess you can also remove some of the menus here. For the main menu, so this is our main menu. Okay, so that's it for the UI of our Amazfit BIP Max Smartwatch. So it's a beautiful looking smartwatch with a metallic finish. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.